Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of linear programming, today we are going to discuss about some numerical aspect of linear programming and the problems which have some practical aspect which are related to the scopes and you can say excitement of industry activity that are widely and practically connected to the human, you can say, activity are going to be discussed in this session. So, for the sake of convenience of your understanding, I would like to share some material for you. So, please let us write manufacturing problem. Please write at serial number 10. Here is write this manufacturing problem. Start writing. A manufacturer has 3 machines, 1, 2 and 3. In Roman you write 1, 2 and 3. A manufacturer has 3 machines, 1, 2 and 3 installed in his factory. A manufacturer has 3 machines, 1, 2 and 3 installed in his factory. Machine 1 and machine 2 are capable of being operated for at most 12 hours, whereas machine 3 must be operated for at least 5 hours a day. C produces only 2 items, M and N, each requiring the use of all 3 machines. And you can also write this. This is the, you can say, pictorial analysis of the problem. The number of hours required for producing 1 unit of each of M and N on the 3 machines are given in the following table. So I suggest you that kindly you can say draw these tables and write all the items that have been explained in this items, number of hours required on machines. So machines, you can say categorize, you write 1, 2 and 3, here M and N. She makes a profit of rupees 600 and rupees 400 on items M and N respectively. How many of each item should she produce so as to maximize her profit, assuming that she can sell all the items that she produced? What will be the maximum profit? So students, these are the, you can say, these are the you can say explanation of your problem. And let us come on the solution point. So let X and Y be the number of items M and N respectively. Then the total number of you can say production, that is 600X plus 400Y. See here, you have, here is 600 rupees, you see the profit amount, that is 600 and 400. So this is the total profit on the production is rupees 600X plus 400Y. Mathematical formulation of the given problem is as follows. You have to minimize this Z is equal to 600X plus 400Y. Subject to the constant, as it is clearly you are saying that in for machine this is 1X plus 2Y less than or equal to 12. And for machine 2, this is 2x plus y less than or equal to 12. You can see machine 1 data. You can collect data from here. Machine 1, this is 12 hours, and machine 3 operated 5 hours. So you can take that data from there. So you can write here. And this, after that, you can write for machine this also. And the constants that are given here are x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So I hope that students you are well acquainted to the concept of the, you can say, the graphical solution of a linear programming problem, as well as how to locate the feasible region, as we are doing such numerical since last week. So I hope you have to use the same process here also, and you have to draw the graph as usual. You have to select the feasible region, and with the help of these feasible points of the feasible region, you have to find, this is the, you can say 4000, this is the maximum value. So this is our the required result that we are actually seeking for. So students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, I suggest you that kindly write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.